Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back into another video where we explore the crazy world of cryptocurrency. We can see our friend Fantom is up 10% today on the daily time frame. We're finally moving back up to some of those resistances, finally back through $1 billion market cap. So things are starting to look pretty good for Fantom at last. So we've corrected, of course, from our all-time high over at $3.48. It's been a big correction now, I believe over 90% as well, a 93% correction right there, guys. And we're back all the way down to prices of the summer of 2021, as well as the beginning of the bull market back in April. So it's pretty crazy to see, and you can see these vertical blue lines indicate the only times where we've been oversold on the RSIs. And you see right here, we've been oversold in April, oversold in May. We were oversold before in July 2021 when we had the first major wick-off distributions as well. And also in December 2021 too. So it's been a crazy time, but it does look like these oversold positions do actually value and present opportunity. And right now you could argue that we're trading in basically another symmetrical triangle. We've seen a lot of volume come in. We've finally bounced out from the lower RSI levels, and what was crazy is actually we've bounced from this falling wedge. Nice falling wedge pattern, consolidation along this horizontal support, and we've bounced to the upside. And what's happening is we're just basically dancing around right now with the 0.39 support level. So we're just losing that support at the moment, so we're flipping that back into resistance. Hopefully we do not come back down to around the 0.37. If we see continuation to the upside, we should at least be able to pragmatically target $0.46. So at least I'm speculating what could effectively happen is that we come down a bit, retest this resistance, break through, and then maybe get a $0.45 level Fantom. If we break to the upside of that, I do speculate we'll be moving up to around the 0.5-ish level over there, where we've got lots of resistance from the swing high on the 23rd of May. If we do lose this support level, we'll probably end up coming down to around about the 0.33 level. I don't think we'll get any major capitulations, but if we do lose support, we could easily come down to 0.26 if the rest of the market does decide to also, detest a bull run right now. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, things are looking a bit overheated on our RSI. We've pumped back up to about 74, so a little bit of a overboughtness, not too much. But we do want to get back above this resistance at $0.39. If we look at the swing high from over here on the 5th of May, we use our fib extension, we can kind of gauge where we're sort of going. So we've just jumped above that 0.236 Fibonacci extension resistance. So again, breaking out of this symmetrical triangle does make sense if we see bullish continuation to the upside. I'm very much looking forward to accumulating more of this project over the weeks and months to come. It is one that does look like a safe long-term hodl, and if we look at the targets for the long term, we're still looking at $4.38 to $5.40, which is it's a realistic price target. These sort of levels are realistic. If you look at this particular swing high to swing low, here we came actually up to our 3.63 and 4.236. So we sat between there. So this is being relatively modest in the bull market world, but you could effectively start dollar cost averaging today, not financial advice of course, and look to potentially take profits in 3 years between $4 to $5.50. That's what my speculation is for this amazing project. Big symmetrical triangle at the moment. We're very underextended on our 20-day moving average, and even on the daily time frame, we're still just retesting that 20-day moving average. If we get above it like that, we retest it again, and then we should be able to identify a new potential uptrend in the market. Now, something I thought was very interesting, shall I say, is if you look at the Reddit of FTM, you can see FTM usage spikes sharply. The probable cause is its developer, Andre Cronje's return. What do you think? Is DeFi space so volatile that even a change in management is causing fluctuations? I would say yes, because if the man behind the project, that everyone believed in, the one who had the vision has left, shall I say, it's similar to a political party, a politician leaving or no longer leading. It's going to still have an impact on the community and the people that believed in the project to begin with. It makes people think there's not going to be any traction or consistency or new development and things like that. But I personally think Fantom has got a long way to go. Super bullish and very excited to see what can happen for Fantom. Guys, if you're also new to the channel, please subscribe. Maybe consider becoming a patron if you do want to get those one-on-one messages, the tutorials and coaching, as well as spot trading, leverage trading signals, and you're going to get extra listings or entries on the giveaways, giving you more chance to win. Basically, price for coffee. The calls look something like this as well, so give that a consideration if it's something you like the sound of. Looking at crypto bubbles today, $30.6k Bitcoin, 1.9k Ethereum, so above those psychological levels, which are very important for crypto. So we've got the triple merging happening for Ethereum. People do speculate a $3,000 Ethereum again because it's going to help it become deflationary, really restricting the amount of Ethereum that's going back into the ecosystem. And a 30k Bitcoin, if this truly is the bottom, that is very impressive. Many are still speculating that we'll come back down to that 200-week moving average, looking at $20,000 levels. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like the video. Make sure you also head down into the description below, hop on over to the Learn to Trade and B2C Telegram channels, where you'll find the most comprehensive, insightful crypto news and the best education learning how to trade. Hope this video is helpful. Stay tuned. Bye for now.